Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. I don't know if you can see that tiny house back there, but we got the septic tank installed today. There's still some more work that has to be done, but wanted to give you guys an update, so be sure and go check this out. And then tomorrow, we start laying the plumbing and the wiring. Yay! So we're starting to heat up again. We've had some really cool nights. It's been around 52 to 53 in the morning, but today it was pretty hot, no wind. We are expecting the wind to pick up tomorrow. So Greg's going to be busy, and hopefully he will get some breezes because it is stifling hot. So the rain we got the other night was probably less than an inch. Praise the Lord, we did not get any severe weather. So very thankful about that. Wanted to give you guys an update on that. So the tomatoes are starting to look good, starting to look a little better out there due to the cooler temps. But I got to tell you, today was pretty hot. So anyway, I'll touch base with you guys tomorrow and show you what's going on with the tiny house and also what's going on with the garden. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you soon.